Hello, everybody. Today is July 3rd, 2016, and today we will be doing a showcase on some fireworks that I have for tomorrow night, in this little bag, and let's get to it. So, the first one was pretty awesome. It had a pretty good grand finale. It's called the Short Stack by TNT, my favorite firework company. And let's see its performance. It is Snow Pine with blue sparks and crackles. If you couldn't read that because it didn't focus, let's put that aside and go on to the next one. Now, this one, it's pretty spazzy. It spazzes out when you light it. It's called the Ground Bloom Flower. Comes in a pack of 20. Sorry, my thumb was in the way. And here is what it looks like. It may look like a firecracker to you, but it is actually it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can't even describe it. Um so yeah, let's put that back in the box. Put it aside next to the short stack. Now, let's show one another fountain. I got this one at the same store as Short Stack. It's called the Jalapeno Pepper. And its performance is color sparks with silver rain and crackle flowers. Sorry, I couldn't read that so well. My camera wasn't focusing. Okay. Sorry. Next one, I can't help it, but I have to say it in an accent. It's called the Jitterbug. I think this is by TNT. Is it by TNT? Hold on. Is it AT&T? Is it AT&T? Actually, I got it in a bundle with all TNT fireworks. So this is totally a TNT firework. I'll put that next to jalapeno pepper. Now, next one I haven't even used yet. It's called the Weasel. Let's read its performance. Hold on. Let me focus. Focus. The performance is colorful sparks and glitters with flowers. Seems awesome. Now, this one is the Weasel. Put that next to Short Stack. Now, next one is another fountain. It's called the Amazing Fountain. I take I took two of these to my friend's house. Sorry, I dropped it. And they were pretty good. It has some height to it. So, if you get this, expect some height. It may look short to you, but it packs a powerful punch. Sorry, my pet went in the back of my TV, and we are in my room right now. Here's another amazing fountain. Put that next to the blue one. Next one. It. I don't know why, but kids can't buy it. It's Poppets. Poppets. They are really fun, but apparently it's illegal in the US for kids to buy them my age. Now, I won't tell you my age, so never mind. Put that next put that next to Amazing Fountains in the bag. The thing's kind of getting big. All right. It's now we got little ones. This one looks like a Reese's cup with a fuse in it. It's called the Lightning Flash. It came in a pack of 6. It has gray ones and red ones. I took some of the red ones to my friend's house, and it is like a strobe light, so be prepared. Don't look straight at it, because when I did, it nearly blinded me. My sister said I looked possessed. Wait, no, yeah, it was my sister. And she was recording it while she said it. Put that next to the poppets. Open bag. Got another lightning flash. And hold on. I can't get anything out of my bag. Jeez. Okay. I can't get anything out of it. Please let me get out the lightning flash. There's another one. Put those all three next to each other. Now, I have a whole bunch of these. They are called the flashing fountains. They come in green, yellow. Sorry, it's another yellow. Another yellow. Red. Oh. Dang, there's so many yellows I'm picking out. Blue. Sorry, the bottom fell off the blue one I just showed. Another green. Another green. Another red. Any more? Yes, it is a yellow. And the bottom of a blue one. That was the one that looks like a firecracker. Now I have two of these ones. They're called solar flares. Honestly, these are kind of like the amazing fountains, but not as high. I got two of those. And that is all the fireworks I have. So the jitterbug, jalapeno popper, ground bloom flowers, short stack, weasel, two amazing fountains, 2 packs of poppets, 3 lightning flashes, whole bunch of. Okay. I'm gonna set it